my beautiful people. I don't see come back again. This one and many updates dey inside. I just update una, but I just dey talk the something sharp so that make the video not too long like that. Our brother the bunch, I know say 2018, 2 years ago, one lady come and say Ikelewa without no be im own permission. Una know where they talk they go. They can't even carry the case go police from there. They carry and go court. Now court come say the girl na lie. Now she dey talk say you want tarnish the band image. For that reason, make the girl pay the bunch. That was 2 years ago. Now the girl can't carry the case, can't carry the matter go another place. Now as I just dey talk to una so, the bunch dey there. E dey police custody now. But e dey answer and question for there. We never know when the matter go finish. Now the lady na be this see the lady and the bunch. But now only God know whether na true or not be true. Whether the bunch really kelewa her or whether I don't know for that one. But now the news wey just come out sharp. I can't say me I can't deliver this news for una make una just see wetin dey go on, because 2 years ago e come and say na so when they carry the matter go court na cause decide say okay make the girl pay am. But my matter is that for that Naija, because anything we don't enter court or police station, it never that's they get head at all. They'll just turn her upside down at the end. They not go see the answer. You know, see the question, because that country, especially if you come to all those kind of things, you know go even know who you want trust again. Now wetin happen to our the bunch, where if not true e go come out for there free. If not be true, may e serve the jail, may e go jail, because for him to do that kind of thing wey you know say that kind of thing not even good, e go the first person he wan scale one, he wan enter am. That one no, e no dey nice at all. Na be the matter, my people. Today na you say as I just talk early say many updates dey inside. Even our in-laws, our uncle, una know where I dey talk dey go, because even Davido sef na our in-law for internet. Oh my people, many updates just dey, many muna just sit down, muna just dey watch. No be our in-law, because we don't give her name, and our in-law for internet in with una know na in with Ishoma, because their matter is still with their matter just dey go on, because everybody don't even tire for the matter. But where we not go tire, because we will see carry the something come dey update una wetin dey go on. Una know say some days ago, abi a week ago, where our lover boy come even offend people for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Why he do that kind? Why he doing is that the news just come out now. Why he doing? Because now remember one certain time where Davido come and say, may they pray for in girlfriend. So may they pray for in girlfriend. Say you know today okay. Now that time, because if you see the kind panel beat where he panel beat am back and front, because of that one, now he come and say so in girlfriend not 2 days sant, make he need prayer, because you know say, because if Ishoma talk come and that kind thing shishi, if he talk come out, let me say Salawa go boss, so now make her they just hide everything. And secondly, because if Ishoma talk come and all the rest baby mamas, they go laugh. They go laugh. Now make the girl just suffer. They just hide the something. Even because that time when your friend shishi, we can't even talk say the love of in life, how you go even offend even say if offend other people, but not be shishi now, because shishi now, because I dey call her shishi, I no mind. Because that one I in love of in life, because we can't even say how you go even offend shishi, because upon all the food where the our baby girl they give all those ogbonge food, Versace and everything. Even Madam Kemi even talk and say she say she no get restaurant, na just audio food na dey cook. For me, I don't know whether the food sweet or not sweet. It's sweet, e not sweet. The important is say two of them they enjoy the food. Na be the something, oh, my people, because as the something just did and say no, I need to come at me. I can't see update una because the two of the matter because I don't fit talk on my previous video why I did that was some days ago. I said this their matter e go reach 600. E go even pass as me even dey see am, because since how many weeks na their matter now everybody just if you go everywhere na two of them where make the everything go still pass. My people, no be our beautiful sister Regina Daniel. I know say since when you get belle na some people say na audio belle, so some people say na real belle, but me I no come know. For me, I not believe say that one na audio belle at all, because the picture wey she herself no too, that is when she bring the stomach come on, I go even know say that one no be audio belle at all. Na just that one, na just if person no believe that one, wetin person wan come believe again? For me, I not believe say na audio belle na be that one. And secondly, now one lady come say, one fine girl come still come and say because of Regina Daniels, the man, the husband no dey, that's Neko, e no dey look im face again because the husband of Regina Daniel first dey date the girl. As he come see Regina Daniel now he come leave that one, he come marry Regina Daniel. Because for me, I believe say the man, e be like say they love all those small fresh tomatoes. If they like all those fresh tomatoes, because Regina Daniel, that one na she never even reach 30 years, abi 25 years. This one wey still come out so na see young girl, na make me talk and say be like say the man too love fresh tomatoes, because he need he need that to fresh in brain. Because that one come at even the screenshot where she and the man where their conversation for WhatsApp, the girl bring the son to come and say because of since we married to Regina Daniel, the man you know, even they call him again, nothing where they go see settle themselves. Okay, my people, una see this stomach now. This one na audio stomach. For me, shall know this one where yours they shine like the one where they use olive oil take rub. For me, I not believe say this one na audio pregnancy. No, this one na real one. This one na authentic. This one just be. No be that one where they use they talk say Regina Daniel na audio belle. This one not be audio belle. This one na real belle. If person not come believe this one, let me say wetin that country, wetin they want even believe say, because the main truth they know they believe it. That especially say na lie. That be something. We can't see enter our actress so Etinosa. I know say the matter wey come out about a week ago, wey Toto Dike and Messi Aigbe, wey they can't even come and say they can't even celebrate themselves. Now our sister Etinosa Idemudia come say say why they go even celebrate themselves. Any single mothers wey deprive their child, say that mother na bad person, e no good. As far as say no be they give themselves belle, as far as say na man give them belle, at least make they not deprive their children from their papa. For me, me I still talk and say no be by to give woman belle na go make you a man. Any man or any woman wey because in with his wife or his ex-wife they not dey gay, say because of that one no can't take off the pikin. For me, that person na just I don't know what I go even talk that kind of person. That person na evil person. Because no matter what, your children where you born, the time we talk now they kelewa, all those children they not dey. I say no reason because you and the man now not come dey gay. The children will come. No, we not supposed to use children as that kind of thing. No. For me, Etinosa, that thing where you talk say women where they do that, single women where they do that kind of say they be bad. No, na lie, they not be bad mothers. So like you now, I know say you never marry, you never born. I pray one day make you not see pass through that kind of thing wey they see pass through. Now there now you go know say wetin really me, because for one person to take off pikin, e no easy. No matter what, e even say the person get belle, e no get belle, e no easy at all. For that ethinosa, for me, I no fit say all those single mothers wey dey do that kind thing, or they go even celebrate themselves as Father Day or whatever. Or for me, they not be bad person, because the way she take or date and put for her Instagram page, no, say because all those people they be wicked mothers and they be bad people. For me, I no see them as bad mothers or any other thing. Where my people, wetin una still think about this video? Make una leave una comment in the comment section. I still remain your girl, your friend, your sister, Official Sister TV. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Till I come on our way back.